Hey everybody, welcome back to the Flat Thunder channel. My name's Andy, and if you've been around the channel for a while, you'll know this old girl here is Margaret, and this is the crane that we mounted to Margaret. Directly underneath you to my right in this region here is a whole bunch of stuff. And this whole bunch of stuff is actually treasures or really good things for good old Margaret here, yet to be realized. To the untrained eye, some people might call this junk. It is not junk. This is really good stuff. We got our semi-chassis frame. We have our air ride axles that are eventually, one day, going to be equipped on good old Margaret here. But right now, they're in the way. I can't work on them because they're kind of stacked and piled. Just however, we took it off the trailer. We also have some steel stock there. Just a big mess. So today what we're going to do, we're going to utilize good old Margaret, the crane, pick and lift some stuff, and just get a whole lot more organized. Stick with us, I'll show you what we're going to get into. So if you followed the channel, you'll see me unloading this semi-chassis that we bought as a donor for Margaret. You'll also see the air ride axles. We got a set of tandems over there. We just got to move all this stuff and make it more neat and organized, get the axles out so we can work on them. We also have the front axle here, which we're not 100% sure if we're going to use it yet. This right here is the clamp that came with the crane when we purchased it. It has a hydraulic rotator and then a custom-made clamp specifically designed to clamp certain tanks. We're going to modify this clamp and make it more usable for us in the future, but we haven't done anything with it yet. I really would like to have the rotate function because that helps me place things a whole lot easier than pulling on it or pushing on it with a stick. So we're going to remove this hydraulic rotator and utilize this for our picks. Come on! Bonus points if you can guess what those two little gas tanks came off of. It's something we worked on the channel. Of course, this side's different. We need to upgrade these pins a little more for the wary. To make what we have here work, we basically have to make a new pin that's smaller from here to there with a bushing. Yeah. We're in luck. Just so happens I have this one I salvaged from the dumpster. Looks like it's going to be the right length. All we got to do is turn it down from here to there and then make ourselves a little spacer. Yeah, this probably isn't going to go too well, but we're going to give it a go. Better than I thought. I'm surprised that worked. Hot stuff. Here's our pen, and here's our bushing. Didn't plan on making it flange, but as I was trimming it down to cut the flange off, I was like, oh, that's a good idea. Keep it from moving in. Uh-oh.
bad.
Wave to everybody. Hey everybody, give him a thumbs up. I love you. Okay.